Australia. This is our place where we stay at Tiger Moth, my dad and Pui. And here, this little motel directly at the airfield, that's for the German team. Over there we have the kitchen, living room and so on. And all the rooms here are air conditioned, which is really important because we had over 40 degrees the last days. So it's really mandatory here. Yeah, let's go to the grid, prepare the glider, and then let's hope that this weather will improve, because over there you can see a small rain shower and it's completely covered here in this area, which is not forecasted by SkySight. So we will see what's going on today. This is our rental car. We have a very cool modification down here. We use this this point here to attach a tow bar. So let's go to the glider. Some other nations stay here at the airfield, and also some of the crews, the helpers of the club, but most of them are in the town.
Seatbelt.
Yeah, I won't. Sorry guys. And then you can already see the problem here. We have a lot of dust from these gravel roads, and then here we can see the glider somewhere there. Must be mine. And we're not allowed to drive here on this taxiway stuff, so we need to use the grass. And there she is, my glider, my LS3. We need to prepare the glider. We need to install batteries here so that we have the reference weight of the glider, because our glider is on the scale every morning. Okay, so this here is our life hack to attach the glider to the car so that we can get it into the grid and don't need a rope. Over there is the scale. They check that our weight is every day the same. And then we also have a secret photo shooting after the scale every day. Glider is in the grid now. We have here club class on the left hand side and the grid of standard and 15-meter class on the right hand side. Let's have breakfast. Morning. Now it's briefing time in this new hangar here.
Everybody had a chance to rest and recover yesterday. We had some local flying whilst the sky looked great, but it wasn't particularly enjoyed.
The problem is, this morning we've already had overcast and some light rain in the area, and we're not sure if that's going to be clear or how long it's going to clear. We're a little bit behind the temperature at the moment, so we have to wait and see. Associated with rain, radar is clearing, but it might stop the ground heating up.
Let's prepare the glider, open the oxygen. Of course we can fly high today, let's hope so. We have some water. We need everything to drink, only for the outline we need more. Tracker, camera, flashlight, logger, all the stuff. Now it's on, let's put it this way. Some more stuff, our smartphone, the backup, nano logger, shut it on, fine, power up here, our Stefan Langer. And we will quickly make a pre-flight check, because I've seen some things which are not perfect the last day, so yeah, let's have a closer look what you should look for. So first of all, the P2 tube here, there I had problems at the AST29, so I blow in here every time before the flight, because it's so mandatory for me for the Laros, Vario and everything. Then the second thing, my gear doors, one of them went off because the screw was not there anymore. So I also checked both of these gear doors if they are attached properly. Because having this open, it's really horrible in flight. It makes a lot of noise and a lot of drag. Then the next thing is to have to check here the tape, especially here in the heat of Australia. The German Nitto tape doesn't work properly. I have here some Tesa tape below, but there's some other tape available as well. So all these things also here with the bug wiper that must be properly aligned. Viel Erfolg! Viel Erfolg! Hi.
Nice to meet you.
Stefan.
Following each year.
Yeah, great.
Really good.
Thank you. Yeah, I need to prepare the glider first. Later, a little bit of time.
Happy to meet you.
Thank you. And then, of course, here also the tape was gone one time. The tech probe is not too important, it's only for the mechanical area. These tapes here look good. The other side, it's fine. And then, of course, no damage here. Yeah, looks okay. And we also have a look on the outside of the wing. Here is everything fine. The tape is fine. I don't know why this tape is there, it's just drag. Yeah, that looks neat. And then on the other side, you can see damage. So here, the skid is broken, so I only have some tape here, and from now on, from yesterday on, I try to just land here on grass, not on the bitumen anymore. Yeah, that's it. And then I hope everything is fine. We need to make some check with the others. Another day in the heat. The worst thing is to start. It's so hot. We nearly have 40 degrees. And we need to close the vent so that you don't get all the dust in your face. But when you open it, you will get some dust in your face. So it's really ugly. A lot is going on here. Everyone is starting and preparing for the flight. Overweilig, my team. The next start. Captain Hugo is there. French guy. And now you can see the shit. Eyes closed and we need fresh air, otherwise we completely sweat. They're all above us. Thank you. Oh, that's a good one.
Standardklasse 10 Minuten.
Not the best flight up to now, but this thermal is great. 5.4 now on average, 5.6, 5.7. That's the Rocket Man, the Weed Like Rocket Man.
Ja, gehen wir mal kurz. Sehr gut. Jetzt wieder, glaube ich, wirklich. Ja, ja.
Also ich würde so langsam weiter.
Ich habe immer noch 3,4.
Ich habe 2,4, aber okay.
Ja, okay. Braucht das was? Nicht so wirklich. Dann lass weiter zu Enrique, oder? 2,0.
Also Uwe, ich habe jetzt über 4 nochmal,
Ja,
aber ist halt Kursabweichung gewesen.
ja, bei mir ja auch. Problem ist, ich hatte eher die Tendenz, schwächer zu werden von der Optik. Mal sehen. Nein, dass diese Wolfsbank regnet da vorne? Das sieht nur so aus, richtig. Das Licht. Wir warten noch nicht. Vorsichtig sein, Steffen. Wenn das jetzt irgendwie hier anfängt zu regnen, kann sich die Situation schnell ändern.
Also ich bin jetzt im Regen.
Ja, wir auch. Ja, ist ja hier auch so, Henrik. Kann wahrscheinlich auch großflächig mal runtergehen.
Würde ich fast ausschließen, weil die Wolkendicke viel zu gering ist.
So, jetzt haben wir das Problem, dass die nasse LS3 nicht versteigt.
Ja, so. Regnet es bei euch auch schon?
Wir hoffen, dass mein Deckel noch hält bis zur Landung. Der hängt schon halb weg.
Naja, steigt trotzdem noch.
Schraubung hier. Steht die ganze Zeit immer noch ein Stück weiter hoch. Also bis jetzt sind alle, die sich da so im Innerflug reinmogeln, ab 30 km/h vorher, 30 Kilometer vorher, fliegen sie alle mit 200 plus. Jo, danke. Der Herr Schröder fliegt 227. Der ist links unter dir. Ich wechsle mal Frequenz. Jungs, viel Glück, ich drücke euch die Daumen. Danke. Ja, eigentlich dazu.
We have this nice convergence here. That's some kind of a reward for this struggle today again. It was really crap. Crap.
Buried underneath the concrete pad. Is there another way? Is there another way? And the rain pours heavy on the waiting storm. Come and begin.
Every time, oh, I can't